Cookiesnya sudah kelar guys. Kita coba cek cookiesnya.
I see fragrance here.
Oh, cookiesnya belum.
I see fragrance.
This is the small one.
Yeah, stuck a little bit, but not too bad.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
It's hot, no?
Not so
What's it
hot.
here?
Okay. Si banana cake. Wow. Where is the big one? It's hot.
CC in the
Is it in
atas.
bawah? This is the top one?
That's the pretty side.
Ah.
Pretty side should go
So,
up.
oh, it's a nice one.
That side looks better.
It look better, yeah. Okay, this is the banana.
And I see.
Ini cookies ya, ini makanan favorit ini. Cookiesnya ini asli homemade nih Mr. Dani. Nanti kita jualan lah, itu mobilnya buat jualan nanti. Jual cookies lagi re. Masuk teh.